Also Fam Entertainment. That's how we do it.
We gonna get it started, man. I'm feeling so fresh tonight. Yes. You know, I'm seeing all the beautiful people. Everybody rocking their favorite brands. Whatever your favorite brand is, it's whatever you want to do, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I didn't always have it like that. We didn't always have it. You know what I'm saying? So,
D-Will, a.k.a. Also Fam, man. You know, we out here on this party bus, man. I gotta say, man, you did it again.
I used to go to the mall with $40 a hand. It ain't matter.
Second time around.
See my man down at South Square Mall working at J. Riggins. Oh no, manager leave. He let me cop for the low slacks and polos. You better watch that. Boy in the Durangos, blazer and mock net. Almost broke, but you still gon' see him at the T-game. Pimping through the Greensboro Coliseum, man. Cause now I got on my good clothes. I'm sick of wearing hand-me-down raggedy hood clothes. Call me ugly, man, I wish a bitch would close. Go out to the club, yeah, we probably should close, shit.
What up, y'all? It's your boy D-Will from Also Fam Entertainment. What you see right here is a party bus, man. We call that the luxury motor coach. Right here, take you from Ontario, West Covina, straight to Club Sugar in Hollywood. Hope everybody have a good night. And this is what it is. You want to know more about it? Just hit me up, osofam.com or MySpace/osofam. Just look me up. You might catch us on YouTube or something. I'll let you boy.
Still got stonewashed denim, Bobby Brown, patent leather members only jacket. Ain't nobody fresher than me. I said I got on my good clothes. Sick of wearing hand-me-down raggedy hood clothes. Call me ugly, man, I wish a bitch would close. Go out to the club, yeah, we probably should close. Yeah. I said I got on my good clothes. What? You know I got on my good clothes. Husky jeans, patent leather, I wore those. I got on my good clothes. I got on my good clothes. Yeah. Y'all looking good tonight, but it's some of y'all that's in the wrong. I can't front. Like you at the bar. It's hot in this club, man. So why you got that leather coat on, dog? Come on. Take that coat off, nigga. And you, the big girl with the low-rise jeans on, got the fat hanging over the side. Better go to lane. Girl, you got your gut busting over the side of your jeans. It look like a muffin. Come on now, let's be provided. I got boxes of shoes, get shirts by the caseload. Size 48 jeans, how did they make those? New eras, we take those, giving us good clothes. Nothing when you broke, when you ain't, you don't spend those. I had a homie at Azure, but he got tired. And another at Stalin Green, but he got fired. So ironic, when you want it, you the last on the list. But when you get cake, they can't wait to give you some shit, you know what I'm saying?